Alright. So yeah, hi guys. The update for today is I watched almost 6 to 7 concept videos on how to solve VA questions from VRC 1000, and now only thing pending is to solve them. They are in the modules, so I will do that. And apart from that, I will also solve, I guess, 15 each from odd man out, para jumbles, and para completion, all of the questions, and then I will let you guys know what happens next. And apart from that, I started with DI in LRDI, the DI data interpretation. I started with the bar charts, bar graphs, sorry, and also the charts, all the charts, the basic ones, and how to do them. The concept videos I'm watching those. Also did a couple of the basic charts, and yeah, it's a lot of calculation intensive. We have to know the fractions of the percentages and all. So yeah, going quite well, and my LR is quite good, but the DI part is where I struggle. So trying to improve that as of now, and with that I will start algebra by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, because the backlogs are a lot from arithmetic, which I have to make short noise what revision notes and a lot of things from arithmetic, and I want to conclude arithmetic for once and all. So yeah, that will be it for today, and yeah, that's it for today guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.